Maybe for some people, like, for them, I'm not like enough in terms of, like, being the best version of myself today. But for me, I know myself the most, and the things that I go through. So parang as of now, surviving is enough. So yeah. Oh yeah. If you feel like that's what you have to do, or that's all that you need to do to get through the day, to survive, to do ABC, whatever that is, still validate yourself for that. When there's no getting over the rainbow, when my smallest of dreams won't come true, I can't take all the madness the world has to give, but I won't hesitate without you.
Kakairita. Tinan mo, masyado masaya ang OA. Papansin. Papansin masyado.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday, Lima. Enjoy your day. And hope to meet you soon. Yung pasalubong at saka gift ko, advance na. Kasi next year pa naman birthday ko. Pero pwede na ako. Tumatanggap na ako ng regalo. Happy birthday!
I wanna say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I wanna say happy birthday to you. Five, six, seven, blow your candle, blow your candle.